Good afternoon, traders. This is Eli, Senior Market Strategist with R.J.O. Futures in Chicago. We're looking at the metal markets this afternoon, with the exception of platinum and copper. Gold is down, and silver is down. And so we're looking at, last week, a stellar economic report with the non-farm payroll and the the expansion of the manufacturing sector seem to suggest that the Federal Reserve will continue to be under a great deal of pressure to increase their tightening process. So would that be the case, then that's going to put a pressure on the metals, and all of them are trading the below pivot gold pivot numbers 1292 area, and the silver, and both of them are trading below that. And like I talked to you last week, anything below the psychological level of 1300, unless there's going to be like a strong communication from the Fed, and I think it's going to be I still see it as a buying opportunity. Maybe that's be adjusted to 1279 or in that area. So I see those areas as a value zone, and I think we're going to continue to watch them. And how to approach the market is different. Just because it's a value zone, you can implement option strategies. So there's a way to approach the market, and we can talk to you about that in detail. Give me a call on that. But overall, I think I like where the market is. And I think this is a great opportunity. And I do write for. I cover the interest rate, and I did talk about this, in some of the blogs that I've been writing about, and so the anticipation for the Fed to take some action is going to be much sooner in 2015 than and later, as some anticipated, and that will put a near-term pressure on gold, and with the geopolitical concerns now sort of seem to take a slight backdrop with the Kiev government gaining on pro-Russian rebels, and so we'll see what happens. So there's a talk about a stronger sanction against Russia, and all that is still on the table. That's provided a little bit of support, maybe a little bit on long term, if that even materializes, and we'll see. And if materializes, how strong of a sanction that will be against Russia is to be seen. And there was a conversation between Putin and President Obama. And so all of that just doesn't really provide a lot of support right now in the mean term for gold. So the trend is down. And give me a call. I think there's some strategies we can implement on this type of market. So with that, good trading, and I'll talk to you next time. Futures and options on futures may involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors.